Banned in the USA. 20 foods you'd never believe are illegal. Welcome to the channel, you lot. Today, we're diving into the ridiculous world of food laws in the United States. Get ready to be gobsmacked by some stupid laws. You won't believe what's illegal to eat. We're talking about oddities and dangerous dishes. So buckle up and let's get this show on the road. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting content. Kinder Surprise eggs? Those chocolate eggs with a toy inside are banned in the US? You're kidding me. A choking hazard? Give me a break. It's like saying you can't have peanuts because some idiot doesn't know how to chew. Pathetic. Sassafras oil. Banned because it contains safrole, a potential carcinogen. Right, because everything else in this country is organic and good for you? Get a grip. You're more likely to get run over by a shopping cart than get cancer from sassafras. Shark fins, illegal due to the barbaric practice of finning. Finally, something we can agree on. Hacking off a shark's fin and tossing it back to die is as low as it gets. It's cruel, wasteful, and destroying our oceans. Chapter 4. Absinthe. Hallucinogenic or just hype. Absinthe, once banned for its supposed hallucinogenic properties, is now legal but regulated. What nonsense. It's like banning broccoli because it might make you see green elephants. Get a grip, America. Chapter 5. Casu marzu. Maggots? You've gotta be kidding me. Casu marzu, a Sardinian cheese crawling with live maggots, is banned for health reasons. I wouldn't touch that. It sounds absolutely disgusting. Who would eat cheese with maggots? Chapter 6. Fugu. More dangerous than my mother-in-law. Fugu, the Japanese pufferfish that can kill you if not prepared properly. Now this one I understand. You need to be a qualified chef to touch this fish. One wrong move and it's curtains for the customer. Chapter 7. Haggis. Leave the lungs out, you muppets. Haggis, banned because it contains sheep's lungs, which are not allowed in the US. For God's sake, it's a traditional Scottish delicacy, not a biohazard. You Americans need to loosen up. Chapter 8. Ackee fruit. Unripe and deadly. Ackee fruit, illegal when unripe due to toxic hypoglycin. Even I wouldn't mess with unripe fruit. It's like eating a raw potato, a disaster. Chapter 9. Beluga caviar. Save the bloody sturgeon. Beluga caviar, banned to protect the endangered beluga sturgeon. Finally, some common sense. These fish are on the brink of extinction and need protection, not gobbled up like a plate of chips. Chapter 10. Horse meat. You're having a laugh. Horse meat, illegal in many states for cultural reasons. Well, that's a no-brainer, isn't it? Horses are beautiful creatures, not something you find on a plate next to mashed potatoes. Chapter 11. Raw milk got milk? Not so fast. Raw milk banned in some states due to bacterial contamination. Listen, I understand wanting fresh natural products, but raw milk? That's just asking for a one-way ticket to the hospital. Chapter 12. Ortolan. Leave the poor bird alone. Ortolan, a tiny songbird, is illegal to eat due to its endangered status. Thank goodness. Who in their right mind would want to eat a tiny defenseless bird? It's barbaric and cruel. Chapter 13. Redfish. Overfishing? Give me a break. Redfish banned in some states to protect the species from overfishing. About time. We need to stop plundering our oceans and give these fish a chance to recover. Overfishing is a disgrace. Chapter 14. Queen conch. Hands off the conch. Queen conch, illegal to harvest in the US to protect the species. These creatures are vital to the marine ecosystem. Let them be, for crying out loud. Chapter 15. Swans. You want to eat what? Swans, protected under the Migratory Bird Treaty Act. Swans? Seriously? Who's thinking about eating a swan? They're majestic creatures, not a Christmas dinner. Sea turtles, illegal to eat due to their endangered status. No surprises there. These ancient mariners are struggling to survive, and eating them is like eating history. Leave them alone. Wild beluga whale, protected under the Marine Mammal Protection Act. They're intelligent social creatures, not swimming sushi platters. Bushmeat. Illegal due to the risk of disease transmission. Finally, some common sense. Eating wild animals is just asking for trouble. Stick to what's in the supermarket, you silly muppets. Foie gras, banned in some states due to animal cruelty concerns. Rightly so. Force-feeding a duck or goose to fatten its liver is inhumane. There's nothing luxurious about cruelty. Raw cashews contain urushiol, a toxic substance also found in poison ivy. Who knew? It's like nature's way of saying, don't eat me raw, you idiot. Always roast your cashews, folks. So there you have it, you lot. 20 foods you never knew were illegal in the United States. Some of them, frankly, are a bloody outrage. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising food facts. Let us know in the comments which banned food surprised you the most.